Oh. Woo. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome. So today we're gonna pick some mangoes. Come and pick some mangoes with me and make some chow, right? Now I didn't have nobody to record for me, so yeah, it was basically me doing everything. So yeah guys, sit back, relax, just enjoy. Right, hopefully next time I'll have somebody around so that I can get them to film me. As you guys can see, all these ripe mangoes on the floor, but I like my mangoes fresh off the tree, and I kind of want them half ripe to make my chow as well. So yeah, I'm just zooming in to show you guys what exactly I'm aiming for. Right, so yeah. So these are the mangoes that I picked, and I put them in a plastic bag that I had there, and yeah, that was that. I went and picked some bandania, or as we Caribbean people know it, some chadon beni. Now this is what the mangoes here look like. So these are the ripe ones, and I separated them from the greener ones, right? The girls will have the ripe ones because they don't like the green ones really, right? And in there you can see chili mango, which my cousin gave me. I didn't pick that one, right? So I'm just gonna peel it. Well, this one is a chili mango. I'm just gonna peel that and show you guys what that looks like. And this is what the ripe one looks like. So I just kind of take the knife and kind of just pull it like that, and she's patiently alright, Zoe's patiently, this is her second mango, so she's patiently waiting. So this is what it looks like.
I just want the orange one.
Do you like this one?
Yep.
Okay.
And of course, Chinese pepper sauce from when you buy Chinese food.
So I came to bring it outside and show you guys. So this is my mango chow. Let me just see to get one. I wish you guys could taste this. Now sometimes we add extra stuff like salt, prunes, or we leave it in a bag for a day, like overnight, so that it can really marinate in that flavor. Yeah, so this is basically it guys. So I hope you like, and I will see you guys in another one. Peace.